Hello everyone, what we have here is a Samsung fridge. What we're going to show you is how to change the air filter today. First thing you need to do is, this is the first thing that you want to do. You want to press the door alarm button and unlock it. And once you unlock that, the next item is that you find where the filter is. It's located pretty much on the bottom of the fridge, and you turn it counterclockwise and then pull it out. You grab the brand new filter and you put it in, and this time you're going to turn it clockwise until this arrow points up the top. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to have to reset the fridge. So you're going to press the ice maker and hold it, and once you hear the chime, next thing you're going to do is hit the door alarm and hold it, and it's going to lock it. Your filter is changed.